getting recorded, dude.
This lady won't let us onto the highway.
She's in my car, dude.
She's running us.
Dude! What are you doing?
Police Chief Kevin Jollett. WTTV reporter Dan Spieler says a science teacher reacted quickly when the suspect left a classroom and returned with 2 handguns.
She described him as a student and that he shot at someone in the room and that 1 student was injured and that this science teacher bravely swatted that gun away from the gunman's hands, saving everyone else in that room.
But a teacher and a student were injured today. Allegations against former Hollywood exec Harvey Weinstein have been brought up by people for many months, but now he's a criminal defendant. Weinstein's attorney is Benjamin Brown.
Why are you recording? You want? I'll punch
because you are not moving forward.
I don't. Yes, I am.
Okay, I got it.
Why? I don't care. Get me on camera, nigga. I'll punch you. Get me on camera.
I got you.
What's going on here, though? She mad.
Who's mad?
She mad.
I hope you guys will come back if you don't stop. Don't fucking hit my car, piece of shit. Take a video.
Oh, hey, whoa, 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 whoa. Hey.
She ran my car, hey!
Hey! Hey! Oh my God! Hey! Oh!
Mate, wait. Mate. You're gonna get injured, mate. Watch, just don't let go, mate. It's just for your own health, mate. Yeah, just let go, man. Like, what the fuck, man? Like, what's wrong with people? Sorry, hey. Please, can you just, guys, just...
Pull in the street or something so we can videotape. Roll your window all the way down. World star. World star. World star. Ah! Ah! World star. This bitch right here.
You better represent. Bitch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 1
Oh shit. This is not what I expected at all at the Chick-fil-A this school. It's Millions, Cora.
Bottle.
That lady was beating that big guy up.
What, him and Reggie?
She was even...
Yes, man.
Oh, she's getting him in the head.
I want to go.
How did she start off?
Get in the car!
He's off! He's off!
Oh, wait, she got it, she got it. Our fingers, man.
She was beating him up. I seen them last week rioting. See, doing it in Newwood Hall houses. She was pure hanging on a mad granny.
Is that wee Christina? Is that wee Christina?
She batters him all the time, man.
I've been videoing this for ages. Wait, that's just ripping his wing mirror off, look!
Stuff saying anything to her, man, because she'd...
Wait! This is brilliant, man!
Oh my she's not out.
I didn't know it was wee Christina.
Oh, man!
Who's Christina?
Shush.
Aye, shush, come on, video.
They've been together for years too. I remember they were together when I was at Y Club doing it. But aye, she's always battered for it. She actually just ripped the tap and everything off him and he's just holding her way.
She's sitting on his car.
What the fuck? What are you doing? Fucking dickhead! 1 ECO KO 672. You fucking dickhead! Are you fucking serious? You were over there! Oh, you're such a wanker. Mate, oi! Smile for the camera, hey! You're all on dash cam. Good job. Good job.
No.
So you should know.
But you shouldn't lie and say I hit you if you didn't see me hit you.
Okay, because it aligns with your car and it's a rubber.
It doesn't align with my car. My car is down here.
No, with the back.
Listen, honey, did I ever pull up next to you when you were sitting in that car?
He said that he saw you.
Where is he? Why did he leave then?
I have his number.
Why did he leave? If he said he saw me. Because he's the one who probably hit you.
No, but that would have been from here.
On my granddaughter, a million times, if I hit somebody's car, I would go up to them and say something. If you were sitting in the car, you would have saw me hit you. Okay, I'm not white trash. I don't act like that.
You're talking like it, though.
No, but you're acting like that by trying to accuse me of hitting your car when I never touched the car.
My car was perfect until your car.
Listen to me. I never pulled up. I pulled from that way. Are you really that stupid?
Oh, I'm not stupid at
Oh,
all.
no, you must be stupid if you think.
Fine, let them figure it out then.
No, nobody's going to figure it out. Because let me tell you something. The way you're teaching your son is disgusting.
I'm teaching him. My son is so smart, you couldn't even imagine.
Look at how your son's going to grow up like you. Like trash. Looking for money off people.
Look at yourself.
Good job, honey.
You're a dirtbag.
911. That's all right. Yeah, I know who you are.
Your car hit my car
I
because
never touched your car.
Gets a
before,
piece.
yeah?
I'm
You
a
said the guy in
hit
front
her.
of you hit her.
Hit her.
That's what you said.
Are you gonna hit us?
No, I'm not gonna hit you. Don't act like your mother.
Yeah.
Don't grow up to be like her.
Yes, the address is 2222 Flatbush Avenue.
Don't grow up to be like her.